More than 1
More
second.
than 1 second yung picture ko sa floating line. Okay guys, life update.
Sige.
Guys, ang saya ko today. Ay, hindi naman today. I mean like for
For the past 3 months.
Nag-note siya nun. Ikot. Tapos sabi niya, miss ko na. I was like,
Oh, yo. Ano yun?
wrong song.
Please accept us, guys.
Accept ko naman siya.
Baliw. Sana all baliw.
Question.
Kano? Para iba naman. Look. Alam ko na yung tanong ko.
Feel ko makaka-copyright ka. Huwag mo na vlog.
Wow. Ganun ba kalapit sa original yung boses mo? Maganda ba yung profs natin?
Dexter.
Kaya
Hindi pa ba isa? Okay, pili ka tatlong card. Okay, so ang first card is... Diyan nakakayak siya. Feel ko, this is us in accounting.
Enlistment.
Enlistment.
Ganyan talaga.
Especially...
Majors.
Majors.
Wala, parang hindi magandang
Pero
prof.
hindi magandang prof. Yung maiinis ka, yung tipong maiinis ka. Pero sana maayos mag-grade. Basta maayos mag-grade.
Basta, oo.
Kaya ko.
Basta 100. Uy, in the end.
Maayos siya.
So, ibig sabihin,
Quatro.
mahihirapan, pero 4.
Wise words. You know, hindi naman lahat ng bagay
Dapat madali.
dapat madali. Kasi if madali siya, then it's not for you.
Dapat, sa paghihirap tayo natututo.
Sa paghihirap tayo natututo, it's a process, not the outcome.
Hi, Liz. She's so quiet.
I'm back in the vlog. I ate maki where I have so much lamoch.
Ikaw ata papaluin ni Liz eh.
Okay, guys, we will determine sino mga artist sa Animo Christmas. Kasi nagbabalak akong mag-send ko.
Kasi parang di malalaman. Anyways.
Hindi, based on sa mood. Like kung anong passion music yung
Okay,
inaano.
these are possible lang ha, guys. Like, this is not clickbait. This is rage bait. Okay. Ang first card.
Oh my God!
It's gonna be medyo angelic pero hindi. Janine Bardeen.
What the hell?
Guys, ang magiging potential na magiging artist for Animusika. Animo Christmas 2026. Janine Bardeen. Sino ito?
Catriona.
Catriona Gray and Angela Ken.
Isa pa daw.
Ay, ako may tanong ako kay Liz.
Oh my God!
my God!
Si Ate Klang!
Ate ka!
Oh my God! For Animo Christmas!
Ate lang for Animo Christmas, y'all! We
my
have our
God.
complete lineup.
Oh my God!
It's gonna be a fun Animo Christmas, so get your tickets in 6 months. Amen. Amen.
Si Sino next kong makakatalking stage or floor?
Ay, grabe.
Sino?
talaga? Okay.
Pag hindi sino, describe. Okay. Ba't kayo kinakabahan?
First off.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ano ka-age natin?
Hindi
Pwede,
siya
pwede.
totally
Afam, pero nag-military siya sa...
Korea? Funny, humorous. Humorous.
Funny,
Influencer.
Funny influencer.
Wala, tapos...
Palaban. siya. Kasi nga, fighter. Ay, marino ka din. Ako sa first one.
Man.
Nakikiligin na naman siya.
May chance ba na in the next 3 weeks magkikita
Pero
kami?
wag mo ibebend yung left.
Magkikita kayo.
Magkikita kami.
Gayang-gaya mo na yung post niya.
It's not the right time.
Parang hindi pa. Hindi pa kasi ngayon. Tingnan natin yung susunod. Mali mo, ito yung today.
Today?
Tomorrow. Monday. Mali mo, tomorrow.
So, viewers of Klein's vlog, I just want to say goodbye. Thank you po for listening to my kadaluluness. And,
For free.
For free. Grabe guys, you're my unpaid therapists.
Our time is done. It is 3:12 p.m. We're there. And we're gonna get matcha. Sobrang nakakita na sila sa 30. This marks the end of our vlog. Thank you for watching.